Welcome back to the renovation blog. Since the last update, I have emptied and cleaned the room, and I wanted to take a sample of how it sounds and how it looks without anything in it. And as you can hear, there is a lot of reverb, and as I already said last time, lighting is trash. I have the window open here and I have the light bulbs in the ceiling, but yeah, it looks terrible, right? I don't know exactly how the framing will be in the final set, but just for the sake of comparison, I'm using more or less the same setup and the same distances and focal lengths I use in the other studio, so here we go. Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and this is how the room sounds completely empty with no sound treatment and no lights. Okay, that is our baseline and hopefully from there we can only get better. Right, it has been a few months since the last update, but I've managed to do a few things here in the former storage, hopefully new set, so let me show you. First of all, you can see that there is now a carpet covering at least part of the floor, well, most of the floor. Then we have some pieces of furniture. We have that piece right there, probably gonna become part of the background or something where I can put items on display in the background. The chair was already there. We have this armchair that I have managed to fix. It was broken, but with some work and sweat I managed to make it usable. It needs to be cleaned. The cushions are filthy, but it also helps a lot with sound. Big armchairs and sofas like that, stuff like that helps a lot with sound. And talking about sound, we have a few homemade sound panels. I've made these with scrap material I had around. There are 4 of them for now, and they actually help a bit deadening the sound in the room. We also have some thick curtains. That's actually an old thin bed sheet and I will eventually upgrade that to a proper thick piece of fabric. And that's basically it. Ignore the insulation foam because I'm testing some things out, and these 2 walls will probably eventually be covered in insulation foam and drywall. And as you can see, I'm not even started on lights. I've changed the light bulbs in the ceiling, but they're just slightly brighter light bulbs. But sound has changed a lot. As you can see, there is almost no reverb now, with just, a carpet, a few homemade sound panels, and an old bed sheet as a curtain. And it has already changed a lot, which I'm very surprised by and also very satisfied with. So let us do the test once again to have a reference. Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and this is how the room sounds with some sound treatment, homemade obviously, and how it looks with still no lights. I believe that's it for this video. Hopefully this summer I will be able to go on and do more, hang the panels and build the set a little bit more and start working on lights. Once again, if you are a brand, if you know a brand that would be willing to collaborate on this project, feel free to hit me up, let me know. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye!